race to contain the coronavirus is stretching coast to coast as more than 1,000 people are in quarantine, all connected to one man who is in a hospital in critical condition.
California has now declared a state of emergency after 6 new cases there, including a medical worker who was screening for the virus.
We need every tool at our disposal to make sure we're ready to support any coronavirus patients who are diagnosed and to prevent any further spread.
21 people on a cruise ship headed to San Francisco from Hawaii have reported possible symptoms. One person on board has died. That brings the death toll in the U.S. to 11. There are still no cases in Ohio.
But state officials say that's likely to change, so people should do what they can to prepare. News 5's Olivia Fecto joins us live in the studio now. Olivia, what do we need to know?
Well, Rob and Danita, of course, there are a lot of questions and concerns that people have about the coronavirus, so organizations are offering tips and precautions to help people prepare. With so many unknowns about coronavirus, how can you be prepared?
We saw a need in the community with some general questions coming in.
The call center at Summa Health in Akron usually handles phone calls for doctors' offices, but now there's a dedicated 24/7 phone number activated Wednesday afternoon.
Thank you for calling Summa Health Systems. This is Megan.
To help people get answers about coronavirus.
Symptoms to look for, concerns in the community. Should I be concerned going out to the grocery store?
Within the first few hours, the line received a couple dozen calls, all of them handled by registered nurses who draw their information from the health system's infectious disease unit and from the CDC.
Have you been traveling out of the country?
Summa Health hopes this provides peace of mind to anyone who needs information. With a lot still left to learn about COVID-19, these call takers are here to help.
I think while there's a need in the community, we're definitely here to support that need.
What we don't want to do is create panic. We want to create preparedness.
And that means planning for things you might not think about.
Is there a trusted family member, friend, or pet sitter that you can engage to take care of your pet in the event you're not able to?
Sharon Harvey is president and CEO of the Cleveland Animal Protective League. She says now is the time to get ready in case coronavirus comes to our area or in case of any other emergency or illness.
Stock up on supplies like pet food, especially if your pet is on a prescription diet.
Plus, have crates ready and make sure your pet is wearing an ID tag. And keep a list of your pet's medications handy. Also, consider looking at kennels in case you have to board your pet.
We're just looking for people to plan ahead in the event something happens.
And of course, we have the phone number for that Summa Health call center posted on our News 5 app.
I'm sure a lot more questions going on in people's minds tonight, Olivia. So do we know if the coronavirus can be transmitted from humans to pets?
No, we don't know for sure at this point. So until we have better information about whether your pets could get it if you have it, the APL suggests if you are diagnosed with COVID-19, best thing to do is wash your hands before you touch or feed your pets. And as difficult as it is for those animal lovers among us, you have to avoid snuggling and any further contact with your pets.